imagine an app so powerful that it changes the way millions of people eat, dine, and discover food daily. But what if I told you there's more to Zomato than meets the eye? How did they transform from a humble startup to a global giant? And what secrets lie behind their rise? Stay tuned because we are about to unravel the mystery behind Zomato's extraordinary journey and reveal the strategies that drove them to the top. Zomato is more than just an Indian restaurant search and a food delivery service. Founded by Deepinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadha in 2008, this unicorn has spread its wings across 10,000 cities in 24 countries, including USA, Australia, Brazil, Singapore, and even the Middle East. Let's take a closer look at what makes Zomato tick. Zomato started as a platform for online food ordering, restaurant reservations, loyalty programs, and even consulting services. Now think of Zomato as a Google of food. It's a search engine dedicated to exploring a wide range of restaurants and cuisines. From a humble home project, it has grown to world's largest food aggregators, connecting people with food and even collaborating with restaurants to foster a sustainable ecosystem. But what's Zomato's secret for staying on top? It's their unique and sustainable business model, affordability, easy accessibility, and a diverse range of services that builds trust and loyalty among customers. But how did it all begin? Zomato's journey began in July 2008, originally known as Foodie, which was founded by two IIT graduates. Now, Deepinder Goyal noticed his colleagues' constant demand for paper menus and decided to digitalize these menus into more accessible apps. Within just 9 months, Foodie became the largest restaurant directory in Delhi and soon expanded to other cities. By 2012, they had already ventured into international markets. To avoid legal issues with eBay, they had rebranded to Zomato in 2010. In 2015, Zomato then entered the delivery business and even launched Zomato Gold, a subscription service offering complimentary food and drinks. Today, Zomato operates on 3 pillars: delivery, dining out, and subscription. Now let's understand Zomato's business model. Initially, Zomato scanned restaurant menus and uploaded them online. Now this concept remains the same but has evolved into additional services. Unlike competitors like Swiggy and Foodpanda, Zomato's business model includes key partnerships with Uber and London partners, aiding its swift launch in the United Kingdom. Zomato's key resource is its extensive database of restaurants across 24 countries. They provide local restaurant search services, collect data on food menus, and offer this information to users through their app and website. Their target audience includes food enthusiasts looking for local dining options in restaurants, aiming to reach a broader audience. Zomato's revenue model is strong and is divided into many parts. They are not just in food delivery business but also thrive on advertising revenue. Let's break it down. Number 1. Restaurant listings and advertising. Initially, Zomato's core revenue came from advertising fees paid by restaurants for better visibility and higher placement on their platform. They charge commissions from restaurants for food delivery and reservations. Number 2. Food delivery. Through food delivery, Zomato charges a commission ranging from 20% to 25% per order. Despite the competition and the need for discounts, this remains a significant revenue stream. Number 3. Subscription programs. Restaurants pay monthly fees to access to Zomato's analytical tools, which provide insights and customer preferences and behaviors. This data helps restaurants tailor their offerings and promotions effectively. Zomato's impact is significant. With over 5,000 employees and a monthly user base of 80 million, they add new restaurants every 30 seconds. They operate in multiple languages, making them accessible to a global audience. In financial year 2022, Zomato generated 4,192 crores in revenue, which then soared to 7,079 crore in the financial year 2023. Their business model not only adds value to customers, but also allows restaurants to differentiate themselves through updated listings, positive engagement with feedback, and accountability. Zomato continues to bridge the gap between customers and restaurants through efficient technology, reducing delivery times, and enhancing service quality. They have set a high standard in the food tech industry, showing that innovation, accessibility, and a focus on customer experience can lead to unparalleled success. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into business models and revenue strategies.